Hey everyone, Benjamin here. In this video, we are actually going to be unboxing the package I received from Canva, because I was thinking, instead of rather just opening it up and just seeing it all by myself, I rather want to do it with you. So here is the box, and I want to do this first unboxing sort of thing with you. So let's jump straight into it. Alright, so this is the package. You can see how it's looking, so boxy, full of paper and stuff like that. I actually had to remove the address stickers and stuff like that so that we can keep such things confidential. So I think we are now ready to see what is in this box, because honestly I have no idea of whatever is in this. Alright, so I have my shine knife over here. It's actually my mother's bread knife. Okay, and I want us to start by cutting this one. I think there's some extra ones over here, and I think this is the first unboxing on this channel. Very interesting. We haven't done any unboxing like this before, so maybe this is the beginning of more unboxing and stuff like that. So if you want me to do your unboxing product stuff like that, just push it on. Okay, what is all this? What am I doing? But I'm even destroying the box itself. Alright, nice one. So this is it. Now let's see what we have in there. Ooh, nice. See what it says over here. It's saying that creativity is intelligence having fun. Wow, so beautiful. Let's see what we have in there. So we have a tote bag, I believe. Oh wow, Canva Expert. The quality is very nice. I like the quality of this. It's so quality. Canva Expert. Put that aside. Have a second thing over here. Canva Expert. Wow, this is high quality. This is really, really high quality. I really like the feel of this. Okay, and we have this one as well, which is another Canva Expert. So now you can see how we have over here straight from Canva, and I just love all of this. Wow, so beautiful, so beautiful. The quality is actually very good. I'm really impressed by the quality, and even with the print over here, the quality is also like very, very, very nice. So I actually want to use the opportunity to say thank you to Canva. This is the bag that was in it, and I think it's actually I like the quality of it. It's really, really quality, high quality bag, and the second thing is here. So with the t-shirt, maybe this time around you'd see me wearing the t-shirt more often. How it says the Canva Experts. That's what I like about it. And we have this sweatshirt. This is actually my favorite. So Canva Experts, I like it, and I just want to say a big thank you to Canva for sending this over, and I really, really do appreciate it. And with you're actually the reason why this is happening, and you are just a part. You've played a big role in this, liking, supporting me with any content I create, and I want to say a massive thank you to you, especially watching this video. The name is Benjamin. Always remember there is no limit to creativity. I will see you in my next video.
I'm doing my job, that includes whipping and keeping the recipes. I cannot stop, I gotta get it till legends are next to me. Till legends are next to me, ayy, please do not text to me. I'm trying to get it, working to become